lastly, I'm gonna tell you this. It's exactly what I wanted to tell you about doing this remote. I've got students that are in Las Vegas that have properties in Georgia. I got people that are in Georgia that have properties in California. You can run this business from a cell phone as long as you have internet. Most people ask me this question, Mike, how do I do it? Like, what, if I'm not there, how do I run this business? Let me give you an example how you do this, okay? You've got your cleaning crew in that city, okay? For example, if you're gonna do this and you wanna do it remotely, you're gonna get on Turno, make sure you have your 3 platforms on Guesty, and then you're gonna connect Turno to it. Because Turno is gonna find the cleaner for you, and then they are going to have access to the same calendar so they know when to go in and out. Okay, now, remember this, your property is, you don't have to go to it. Your cleaners are in the property multiple times per week, so they're your eyes on the property when you're not there. Okay, if you need supplies, the cleaner is gonna message you, hey, we need toilet paper. You're gonna Amazon it to the property, the cleaner is gonna take it from the front door, and they are gonna put it into the property for you. But remember, you're not gonna be introducing yourself. Hi, my name is Mike, and my Airbnb is right up the steps there. If you just go up the steps right there, take a right, you just 2-second door on the right. If you type in 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll get to, you're not going to the property. Guys, there's properties I've never even seen before, right? How are people, my students, running a business all the way across the end of the United States? Because they set up a cleaning crew right there in their city. And then if the cleaning crew needs anything at any time, they're gonna message you and say, this is what we need. You order on Amazon, send it to the property, you just deliver it right there. The cleaners go in, put it inside the property for you. Any maintenance, again, you just have a maintenance person right there. It's very simple. Now, if you wanna go to your property one time because there's things that you wanna set up, most people say, what if I need to furnish the place? Okay, well, if you need to furnish the place, you're gonna probably wanna go there for a weekend, stay at your place, right? Go get stuff from Facebook Marketplace, or maybe you're gonna go to, West Elm Outlet, or you're gonna go to, some of the other furniture places, or maybe you can even go to something like an Aaron's Furniture, and they don't even require any credit, and then literally you can furnish the whole place in a weekend. That's what you can do, okay? It should take you no more than 72 hours to furnish a 1-bedroom or a studio. 72 hours, so you could probably do it pretty quickly. Now, what I teach is how to find furnished properties. That means the bedding is there, that means the TVs are there, the couches are there, the night tables are there, most of it is there, okay? This is gonna save you a lot of time and energy so you don't have to go out, hire somebody to do it if you can't, or the time to actually go there and set everything up and the cost of doing it. So if we find something that's already furnished, it's much easier, right, to get this business up and running very quickly. So what I do, okay, and if I haven't deserved a thumbs up already, damn, I'm giving you some gems today. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and message me, guys. If you need help at all, just message me in the comment section. Just say, listen, put the word Airbnb for me. I'll know that you're serious and you really want to do this and you want help doing it. Because what I'm gonna do is not only help you find the right market in the right place, but also I'm gonna help you get your foot in the door in 30 days or less, because I'm gonna be the one helping you on the phone to negotiate the deals and on a furnished property. And lastly, I'm gonna get you 4 to 8 weeks of free rent on the front end based on my negotiated sales. Now, once you learn how to do this, you're gonna have your own credibility and you won't need me to do these calls anymore. But in the beginning, it's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of headache, and you're gonna get, a property very quickly with my help. Put the word Airbnb in comments. I'll reach out to you directly. And if you guys need anything at all, you know where to find me.